Hi everyone, welcome to SISAR classes. Today in this video, use a number line and add or represent 6 plus minus 6 in a first bracket on a number line in easy way. So please watch the video till the end. So let's start the video. First of all, let us make here a number line. So first, drawing a line segment of any length by this way. Next, using scale and marking the numbers on the line first. But you can use another way to mark the numbers on the line. But if you use the scale, then the number line will be perfect. Okay. Next, taking arrow mark on both sides. Next, taking the starting number 0. So taking here 0, then here 1, 2. So right hand side of 0, all the number will be positive, and the left side of 0, all the number is negative or negative integer. Okay, so this is a perfect number line. Now here 6 plus minus 6 in a first bracket. So first counting 6 from 0 to 6. So here 6. Okay, so here first drawing a curve from 0 to 6 by this way, and the direction will be from left to right. So from left to right. Okay, now here plus minus 6, that means subtracting 6. So drawing a curve from 6 to 0, and the direction will be from right to left. Okay, and the answer will be here 0. So 6 plus minus 6 equal 0. So therefore the answer of 6 plus minus 6 in first bracket equal 0. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Please share it with your friends.